Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make beetroot stir fry recipe.
Beetroot stir fry is commonly served along with rice. Everyone won't love this recipe. Just give it a try. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add 3 green chillies and 1 chopped onion. Saute for 3 minutes on medium flame. Keep it low flame and add half teaspoon Kasmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, 1 teaspoon salt, mix it well. Now add 250 grams chopped beetroot. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 6 to 7 minutes on low flame. After 7 minutes, open the lid. Then add half tablespoon pepper powder and mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Now switch off the flame. Our beetroot recipe is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.